Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the AR Blue Clean BC250 DSS battery operated pressure washer, which I received for a trial from automotionwebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. I'm going to do some unboxing and then we'll see what is within. Let's roll. Right, boys and girls, so the main unit was inside, together with like a shampoo dispenser, also with the pickup hose, and also with an adapter with a filter if you want to use it from bucket or whatever, if you don't want to connect it to the mains. It has a charger, it has a bit of rainforest. It has obviously the battery itself and a lens made of two pieces, and there is like a multifunctional head or sprayer at the very end of it. Now I'm going to put it on the charger because most probably the battery is depleted somewhat, and I'm going to charge it and then we'll try it out. You hypnotize. Okay, boys and girls, that was the AR BC250 DSS pressure washer, or I would rather call it washer because it's a little bit far from pressure. However, with the turbo nozzle it still had some power. Also, when I used it on a narrower angle, it had some power, but it was taking ages to have the job done. And when I opened it a bit wider, then obviously the power was gone. Putting all this aside, there is this 50% and 100% power mode. On the 50%, it didn't take any water at all, it couldn't pick it up. And on the 100%, well, I had to use all the time on 100%. As you've seen, the battery went flat right in the kind of like middle of the job. I could spray it down once, then I could sort of foam it around once, and then when I started to rinse it off very quickly, it wasn't a thorough rinsing, then halfway through the battery died. So it is not enough for a car. Maybe for a bicycle or a motorcycle it would be just fine, or in case you have no access to water and electricity and that's your only choice, then sure, why not, but then be prepared that you need more than one battery if you want to wash your car with it. Yeah, other than that, I would say that's it. Would I recommend? As I said, not necessarily, only in case you have no other choice. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.